Hey everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. In today's video, we are sharing our overnight experience at the Anaheim Majestic Garden Hotel in Anaheim. Now, our overnight experience can be very different from your experience, and we just want to let you know when booking a hotel, read as many reviews and use as many resources as possible before making your decision. The Anaheim Majestic is about a 1-mile walk to Disneyland, but one major perk of this hotel, it has a free dedicated shuttle which leaves every 30 minutes to Disneyland.
And if you're wondering, can I make it to rope drop? Yes, you can. The shuttle leaves about an hour prior to park opening and will continue to run an hour and 15 minutes after park closing.
We will leave a link to the shuttle video in the description below. When we stayed at the Anaheim Majestic, parking was $20 a day, and starting in January of 2023, parking does go up to $22 a day. If you are a first responder, you can get free parking at this hotel, but you must show your ID. Moving on to staff and service. Overall, we had a really good experience at the Anaheim Majestic. We were greeted by the front desk. We had a bunch of questions about the shuttle and about the room, and the front desk agent did take his time and explain everything to us. We were very happy with all those interactions when we were first checking in. Throughout the day, we had multiple interactions at the gift shop, and everybody we talked to was super friendly and glad to see us there. Our only negative interaction was at the bar. After we returned from Disneyland, Crystal and I just wanted a drink before we went to bed, and we were greeted at the bar and we were told that they were busy and it would be a minute or two before they could serve us. We waited around for about 15 minutes and
no one ever came back.
Yeah, no one came back. A bunch of people looked at us strange, but we never were able to get service, so we went over to the gift shop, grabbed a drink there, and had it in our room.
We had never stayed at this hotel before, and we had always really wanted to check it out because it just looks beautiful on the outside. It looks like a chateau, and then the gardens are amazingly beautiful. Our room actually looked out into a courtyard garden, and it was beautiful, and we loved having that view. We're not exactly sure when they did their remodel, but for us it did feel like it was a little bit older. Although the furniture has held up really well, there wasn't a lot of wear and tear in the room. Other than that, we loved the amount of space in this room. It was a really spacious room, really big, wide room, lots of space to walk. You did not feel crammed at all in the room. You could fit easily multiple cribs, multiple strollers or prams, and multiple scooters if you needed to in this room. There was lots of floor space. However, in the bathroom, that was not the case. We felt very cramped in the bathroom, and I think it's because it's an older style bathroom where the tub shower combo, the toilet, and the sink are all in one room. And the door to the bathroom barely cleared the toilet, so it was a very tight space in there. And we didn't have a whole lot of counter space for our toiletries, so that just kind of made us feel a little bit cramped in the bathroom. But that's a very minor complaint. I mean, everything else in the bathroom worked and functioned properly. We had a nice hot shower and nice hot water in the sink, but it just did feel a little bit crammed.
Moving on to room comfort and noise. This hotel was a Sheraton in its previous life, and the beds are probably equivalent to about a Sheraton. They were decent, nothing to write home about, but we have no complaints either about the beds. We did come across one issue in the room, and if you have a person that has sensitive skin in your party, you may want to take note here. Our son does have sensitive skin, and he ended up breaking out in a rash from the bedding. I'm assuming it was the chemicals or the detergent they were using. We've never had that happen before. We do carry cream just in case he has a reaction. We rubbed cream on him and it took care of it. But we do want to point that out. Like many other hotels in the area, when the park's open, there's going to be noise in the corridors, and when the park closes, there's going to be additional noise in the corridors. This hotel is par for that course. If you don't like that, it's better to stay further out from the Disneyland Resort, and you can avoid some of those noise issues. You will hear the fireworks. Overall, we were very happy how quiet this room was for us. But the hotel does have rooms that face Interstate 5. So if you are sensitive to car noises, request a room that is not facing the highway.
Next up are the amenities. Most importantly, biggest amenity here at the Anaheim Majestic is the free dedicated shuttle to and from the parks. They also have 3 on-site restaurants, a Japanese restaurant, a bistro, and a deli. The deli is located inside the gift shop. They also have an on-site bar, swimming pool, fitness center, and free Wi-Fi.
Who would want to stay here? We think this is a great option for families that need a little extra room. These rooms are quite large compared to most of the other hotels around the Disneyland resort. And we also think it's a great option for that person who likes those on-site amenities like a restaurant and bar, because so many of the area hotels lack those amenities unless you get to the Westins, the JW Marriotts, or the Convention Center Hilton and Marriott. If you missed our room tour of this hotel, go ahead and click this link here. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.